Southwest charm meets modern comfort in this well-maintained home. Boasting fresh elastomeric paint and a roof replaced in 2018, the home features Santa Fe styling with authentic touches throughout. Situated on a spacious 0.28-acre corner lot with desert landscaping, this property includes 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, with new carpet in the bedrooms and a large living room adorned with ceramic tile and a cozy gas fireplace. A gated courtyard entry provides privacy and security, while skylights brighten the interior and stainless steel appliances, including a gas range, grace the kitchen. Whether you're drawn to the serene desert landscaping or the inviting warmth of the gas fireplace, this home offers a tranquil retreat perfect for relaxation and entertaining.